All right, everyone, just a quick video to show you how to access our online classroom. So once you log into Blackboard, you're just going to click this button on the side, and it's going to take you to our Blackboard Collaborate. That's the official term for this online platform, but you'll see I've named it Online Classroom as well, so you know exactly where to go when we have our class times. So our regular course room is right here. So if you were to click this button, you'd go into the course room where we will meet and discuss during our scheduled class times. If I have office hours or if I've scheduled a particular time for us to meet, you can join me in this room, or I'll send you a specific link if it's going to be a private session. And then on this side here, under this little toggle button, you can see where you can look at our past recordings. So I'll be recording every class. Now that doesn't mean you can't come to class. You still have to be in class. But you can look back on our past sessions by clicking this button here. And if there was a recording of a class, you would see it here and would be able to watch it back. So just a quick little video for you on that. Let me know if you have questions.